We got the reference of a Vaitarna Highland project from one of our customers. So we met the manager over here and they showed their project. The main challenge here was the rust because it's high raining area, and the second their concern was about the aesthetic look because it's a commercial project. So we demonstrated them our Gripple products.
While chatting with a colleague of mine, he suggested getting in touch with Gripple. He said Gripple has very good equipment when it comes to building your trellises for wine. And he gave me the contact of the local representative. We immediately fixed up a demo. We procured wires and locks and the stays from him. The GP1, the GPAK and the wires were excellent. They are highly durable, have a fantastic aesthetic look.
Keeping aesthetic look in the mind, we provided them our GP1, GPAK kit and wires, which added durability and beautification to their project. Now they are very happy with the Gripple products.
We are now 2 years down the line and there's no rust at all on the wires. Going forward, my next 2 projects, I'm again going to use Gripple, and I suggest you have a look because the products are excellent and they're highly recommendable.